In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off voice control on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that, just scroll down until you find Accessibility. And here at Accessibility, down below, we can easily find voice control. As you can see, now it is enabled, and now we need to get into it, and then just tap right here to turn it off. However, guys, voice control can be also activated in a specific way, and we need to check one more option. To do that, we need to go back to Accessibility. And then here we need to enter side button settings. As you can see here, now my side button configured in that way that when I press and hold on it, it activates Siri. However, it can be also set to the second option, which will activate voice control on your device. So if you would like to turn it off, I recommend you to set it to Siri, like in my case, or you can just select off. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.